Hi, here is the Canonet QL17 G2 overall conditions. The bottom here is the battery compartment using one LR44 battery. So we just put it inside like this. Okay. And here is the battery check. You can click the check to see whether the battery is function or not. Okay. Then next thing is to open the back cover. A little bit sticky. Okay. Put your film in and push it down. Make sure it's fully down like this. And the film tip, you just pull under here, then you just close it. Will do like this. Because it's a quick loading, so you just put it at here and you just close it and wind it. Then you can start shooting. And next is here to adjust the ISO. ASA also mean ISO lah, yeah. Okay, 400. Yeah. Then set it at auto mode, and it's a shutter priority camera. So all the way you need is just adjust the shutter speed, and the camera will select the aperture for you. If the environment is too dark, then it will lock the shutter to avoid underexposed lah. Under or overexposed, yeah. Then maybe you mean. And also if it's too bright, yeah, it also cannot function. Then here is the focus, and here is the timer. Click it. Okay. Because long time didn't operate the timer, so yeah, it will a little bit like lag or something. And try again. Oops. Yeah, you see now it's okay already. It's approximate like 10 seconds like that lah. Yeah. Okay, so overall it's like this. Then here is the counter. Will show how many shots you have took. And when you shoot finish, how to know whether it's finished or not? When you wind until you feel that there's a resistance that you cannot wind anymore, then which means that you need to press the bottom button and flip here up to rewind. And before that, sorry, how to know whether you have loaded the film properly? When you wind the film, look at here or here. Yeah, first we look at here. The red thing will move, which means that you have loaded it well. Then the next one is this, the rewind up. When you wind, it will turn together. Yeah. Then when you shoot finish, then you just like click the seal button at the bottom, then only it will release. Rewind until it suddenly becomes very loose, which means that it's okay already. Then just take out your film. Yeah. And if inside don't have film, you can just take out the battery to avoid any battery leak issue. Yeah. So this is the overall function, and hope you enjoyed.